Hey everyone, welcome to the AI Testing Playground. I'm Carmen. Before we jump into today's content, I want to show you a few of my creations. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I'm pretty proud of them considering I have zero backgrounds in art or photography and no clue about how to use drawing software. I create this image under 10 minutes by using a popular AI drawing tool called Midjourney. It is pretty cool, like a magic, just a simple text message. Midjourney can bring your ideas into a visible image in seconds. But I have to admit, it can be a bit tricky for newbies. So in today's video, I will be giving you a newbie's guide on how to start using Midjourney. Okay, let's start. Step 1, access the Midjourney through Discord. Yes, it's Discord, not Midjourney. You can only access the Midjourney through Discord because Midjourney is one of the inbuilt apps in Discord. You have to create a Discord account if you are new to Discord or verify your existing Discord account to start with. So go to midjourney.com and then you can join or probably sign in. If you click join, then it will bring you to the Discord. I already have a Discord account, so I just accept the invitation and then to open the app. That's the Discord app. So let me show you the Discord app in my desktop, what it looks like. This is the Discord app. So when you start to use Midjourney, you have to download the Discord app first into your computer or probably your mobile. Every time when you want to start using it, you just double click and sign into Discord. You can access the Midjourney. So that's the step 1. Step 2, you have to subscribe to Midjourney plan to start using Midjourney. There's no free anymore. So to subscribe to the plan, you have to go to this website, midjourney.com and account, enter, and they'll go to the Midjourney account to start choosing a plan. Totally, there's a 4 plan you can choose from, and you can subscribe yearly or monthly. Yearly it would be the basic plan is $8 a month. For monthly is $10 a month, $2 difference. The main difference is the CPU time. There's a 2 mode. One is the fast mode and one is the relax mode. You can see on the basic plan only have fast mode. There's no relax mode. What is the fast mode and relax mode? It is about the speed to generate a picture. I personally suggest is the basic plan. $10 a month will be enough. You can get 3.3 hours per month. If you use up all the CPU hours, you can purchase extra CPU hours, which is $4 per month. Okay, after you finish the subscriptions, you can start use the Midjourney through the Discord. Okay, now let's start up the Discord. Start up the Discord, and then you go there, and you can start join the Midjourney server by click plus here, and then join a server. Click join a server here. In this link, you have to put in this link, and then click join server. Yeah, I already joined the server. On the server list, you can see the Midjourney is here. After you join the server, then you can start using the Midjourney to generate the picture. You can start using it. But how to start using it? Because if you want to start using the Midjourney server, there's a lot of chat room under the Midjourney server. You start to generate the image, you have to draw the chat room. So normally for the newcomers, you can draw any of them, like the newcomer room 2. For example, I just click and like the newcomer rooms newbies. Okay, I click that, and then you can start using. So this is the people that already in the chat room. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of people there. By start generate an image, you can just press the comments buttons, like input a comment into the message bar, and then you can choose like the choose image, and then to type in your prompt. They call like the prompt. So for the like your idea, anything. So for example, if I wanted to a cute rabbit running on the grass, and then press enter, it will start generate pictures for me. Because I'm drawing the basic plan, so it will be automatically as the fast mode. Okay, so every time it will generate 4 pictures. In a public chat room, not only you, there's a lot of people in there. So this is mine. It's finished. Let's open up. See, that's the 4 image. Every time it will generate 4 image. You can see there's a lot of people there, so there's new messages coming up. It's like after a while, it's very hard for you to find your jobs. So what can we do? Easier for us to like find our jobs and not too much information there. So what you can do, you can create your private chat room and invite Midjourney as your friend into this chat room, and then in your private chat room you can just only you and Midjourney. So how to create a private chat room? We click add a server, and then create my own for me and my friends, and then just put in a name. So for example, I just put in common server or like any name. All right, and then click create. Okay, this is my private room. Yeah, so you can see there's common server. So after that you have to invite Midjourney. Like Midjourney is such as your friend, or maybe your colleague, or maybe your staff. You can choose as a staff to help you to make your idea come to visible image. How to bring the Midjourney into this private chat room? What you have to do, just add. The easier way is add your first app, and then check it out. Okay, you can type Midjourney here and then click enter. So that's the Midjourney come out, and then click that and add to server. Add to server, and then that, and then like okay, add to server. There's a common server. Like if you have more room, you can choose. You can add to it, but now we add to here, and then click continue. Authorize. So I'm human. Okay, and then go back to my server. Okay, now you can see there's 2 of us here. If you have more friends want to use, you can like invite your friend. So in this private chat room, only me and Midjourney here. Let's try in our private room to generate an image. In the message area, we click slash and then choose image and put in a prompt. This time I'm going to put a girl with a brown hair in front of a window. Okay, enter to see. Let's see the magic. Okay, it finished. Okay, you can see here only you and Midjourney. That's the pictures you asked the Midjourney to generate, and only you and the Midjourney. So compared to the previous one, that in the Midjourney, see, there's a lot of pictures keep going. It's like my image already there, and there's will keep going, and after half hour, you have to go back a long way to find your picture. But even after 1 hour, if you stop talking to Midjourney in this private chat room, it only show the message from you, not from any other people. Just want to let you know, even in a private chat room, the picture you ask the Midjourney to generate, everyone in the Midjourney servers can see. It's not a private image. I think that's all for today.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Bye.